Hello, welcome to the UltFone channel. Users all over the globe are taking advantage of the new screen recording feature from iPhone. Sometimes this new feature can have a bug or suddenly stop working or TR in black. That can be a real problem for those preparing for a school presentation or work-related project. The next time you ask, why can't I screen record? Use these tips from this video. Now, let's see the first one. Tip 1. Check the microphone. Whenever your screen recording doesn't have audio, it is probably because the microphone is not turned on. Open Control Center. Long press on the screen recorder icon until setting is displayed. Make sure the microphone on option is selected. Tip 2. Disable low power mode. Whenever your battery is running low on charge, it disables certain features from being used, so you can go to Settings, and then Battery. Disable low power mode. Tip 3. Force restart iPhone. A forced restart can fix a lot of small issues. You can give it a try. For iPhone 8 or later, press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. If this problem still persists after force restarted, you can try the next way. Tip 4. Use UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair can help you solve some system problem. It is recommended that you try this method before sending your iPhone in for repairs. So connect your iPhone and launch it on your computer. Click Start button. Then select the standard repair, which can update your iPhone without losing any data. Download the firmware. After that, it will start repairing. Great, it's completed. Let's get back to our iPhone and check it out. At this time, your device will back to normal. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.